Innovation has always taken center stage at Albrecht Young. It drives the traditional family business to continuously optimize its products and to develop cutting-edge solutions. Young is a premium supplier of intelligent building technology. We have been producing innovative systems for controlling features in buildings since 1912. Our focus is on award-winning design, functionality, and high ease of use. For years, we have been orienting our work towards lean principles. This enables us to optimize our production, aligning it with the latest technology offerings and know-how. It also allows us to create room for innovation. In 2013, there was a research project funded by the Federal Ministry of Economics and Energy. That's how we became aware of UR. The first UR Cobot Young has integrated into its production line is a UR5. It picks up assembled parts and places them in a laser chamber, where they are turned and lasered twice. Afterwards, the Cobot removes the parts and hands them over to an employee. At the same manufacturing cell, she packs the lasered devices into shipping cartons. Man and machine work together quite naturally here. That's exactly what got us on board with the technology from UR and why we have bought more robots. 8 Cobots from UR are in use at the Young plant in Lunen now. Half of them work side by side with the employees. Every year, they handle between 5,000 and 400,000 parts. We use UR3 and UR5 robots for screwing circuit boards, assembling plastic parts, and for packaging. We developed and implemented the applications on our production lines in-house. The operation is very intuitive. After a very short amount of time, I was able to program the first robot by myself. Since we've been using the URs, my job has become more diversified, and it's great fun to program them. Thanks to their intuitive 3D visualization, UR Cobots can be quickly set up, integrated into production lines, and easily adapted at any time. With the robots from UR, we successfully optimize our production and relieve our employees of repetitive tasks. Overall, we have significantly lowered production costs and lead times, and due to the high precision of the robots, we can continue to offer our customers products in the usual made in Germany quality. The robots at Young are not intended to replace humans, but to support them in their tasks. The manual work of our employees remains indispensable. Pioneering spirit and innovative strength are our drive, just like at UR. This makes Universal Robots the ideal partner for us.